In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove repeater on Wix Studio. If you've ever used Wix Studio to lay out content like lists of cards, team profiles, or product tiles, you've likely used a repeater. A repeater is simply a group of repeating items that share the same design and structure, often connected to the same data. Sometimes you outgrow that layout or want to simplify your page, and removing the repeater is exactly what you need. The process is quick and clean, and I'll walk you through it so you feel confident doing it yourself. First, make sure you're in the editor on the page where the repeater lives. Move your cursor over the repeater area and click it. When the repeater is selected, you'll see a distinct blue border surrounding it. That blue border is your confirmation that you've selected the entire repeater component, not just one of the items inside it. If you click and only see a smaller highlight around a single card, click again on the outer edge until the full blue outline appears. Take a second to confirm you've got the right element before moving on. Once the repeater is selected, removing it is as simple as pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. If you're on a device where that key isn't obvious, backspace usually works too. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the selected repeater and choose Delete from the context menu. The repeater and its repeated items will disappear from the canvas immediately. If you change your mind, you can instantly revert by using the undo command. You can remove individual repeaters or clear multiple repeaters from the page using the exact same approach. Select a repeater, confirm the blue border, and delete it. Then repeat the process for any other repeater you want to remove. Work methodically so you don't accidentally take out a section you intended to keep. A few helpful tips before you wrap up. Deleting a repeater removes the layout and the items on that page, but it doesn't delete your connected data collections. Your data remains intact for future designs. After deleting, do a quick scan of your layout to make sure surrounding elements adjusted the way you expect. Check different breakpoints to confirm the page still looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Use Preview to verify the flow, and when you're satisfied, save your work and publish your changes. That's all there is to it. Select the repeater, look for the blue border, delete it with your keyboard or the right-click menu, and repeat as needed. Simple, fast, and effective.